me tell you how Prayug's AI research course is different than other course websites. We not only train the AI students to get job ready, but we also direct them towards AI research based portfolio projects. Now, I'm going to share with you a journey of two students from AI Group 3 of Batch 1 and how they have progressed from not even understanding the topic at all, complaining to us, and then understanding it, reaching to a stage that now we can head to the documentation and publication of their research. And Prayuk is going to help them there. And this is the project that they actually got. So instead of giving regular projects like EDA and all in AI, we gave them a particularly enriched research project that was being actually researched in our company. That's Authentrack. It basically means embedding watermarkings into your published documents so that when it is reproduced by any kind of GPTs, we can track that. And then they started discussing it. And this is the stage where they didn't actually understand what was going on in the project. They were also given base papers. They were given the comparative scenarios, and they were given base papers like this digital watermarking technology, and they had to actually go through that. The students didn't understand that, and they were actually quite confused on how to proceed. But then we guided them, and then they had their first presentation. After the presentation, they came up with the ideas. This is their presentation actually. Now they highlighted the problem statements, what they are going to be working on, what steps they're going to take. And I guided them particularly that they should proceed with text first because fine tuning text based models is a little easier than images and music. And they came up with this particular idea with themselves. They're actually using zero worth characters to create their watermarking system. I can't reveal more than that, but this is what they came up on their own by going through the base papers that we actually send them. And they're also trying out this DCT watermarking, but this is what we are helping them develop. It's not developed yet, but they are working on it. This was their presentation, and then they started working on the code. As you can see, they faced the issues, and then they started sending me the code for review. And this is the method they came up with. They were using zero-word taggers and synonym maps to create a watermarking text, and then they were trying to fine-tune the model. The only issue was they weren't able to run the code. So this is where we help them out. We don't help them all the time. We only help them at key points so that they get to the conclusion and do their research themselves. So this is how we are guiding them. We send them the corrected code where we had the modification of the dataset and everything that we are doing and the fine-tuning code which is working as well, and also particularly the metrics they need to consider in order to prove that their model is working or not. This is how you actually do the research in the AI world. Metrics.